You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting words right here. Some say it is often listed as one of the most mispronounced words in English, or one of the most difficult to pronounce. In British English, it's said as nauseous, nauseous, with the stress on that first syllable. The American English in the US, it is rather said usually as nauseous. So nauseous or nauseous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.